This is the GoPro 7 silver model. And the problem I'm having with it is that the battery only lasts about an hour with the unit being turned on. And that's regardless of whether I have the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi disabled or I'm recording or not. Unlike the GoPro 7 Black model, which has a removable battery so that you could swap in a spare charged battery, the silver model does not have a removable battery. So I was looking for a workaround, and what I found is it starts with this door which covers the SD card and the charging port, and it just snaps off. Then I can take the GoPro dongle and plug it into a power pack, which is used for charging cell phones. And it just has a USB port on it. And it will turn on. And it will record. The recording counter is clicking now, and it works. Also, I could put it in its mounting case. Mount the camera as normal. And now if I just need to find a way to strap the battery next to the camera, and I can go all day. Now of course this will be exposed, vulnerable I should say, to water, moisture, but this will solve that problem. The GoPro 7 Silver does take excellent video. It has image stabilization, although the stabilization is not as good as the GoPro Black. And also there's no way to mount a lens cover or filter as there is on the Black model. Now in a moment I will go over where and what to look for if you want to buy one of these. And I would also just ask you at this point to click subscribe or like or dislike or leave a comment, something that shows that you've watched the video. I would appreciate it. Now if you need to purchase one of these power packs for your project, then you may look at something like this. This is on the Best Buy website. This is an Energizer 5,000 milliamp hours ultra slim universal charger. Not only does Apple, but Android and USB enabled devices. You want to look and make sure that it's got the regular USB port for the dongle on your GoPro. This one actually has a picture where it shows them using that port to charge a phone. You can see how big it is. The smaller the better. And also if you look at the weight here, this is the advantage of having the smaller milliamp hour capacity batteries is, you're going to have a lighter weight, 0.28 pounds for this one. And if you're interested in social responsibility, the Energizer company is an American-based company in St. Louis, Missouri. They also claim that they have environmental responsibility regarding handling their waste and so forth. Other than that, if you can find a Samsung that would be made in South Korea. Besides that, good luck finding something that's not made in China. Enjoy your GoPro and enjoy your project.